in my hair, making memories with my girl so rare. Cruising in our Can-Am Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high, Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air, hand in hand, there's no need to choose, just me, my girl.
Morning! It's August 1st. Wow, where did July go?
Gone.
Went bye-byes. We're out and about. It's not supposed to rain. It's gonna be in the 80s, but right now it's overcast, so we'll see what happens. We're on our way to pick up Bob and Amy, go for a ride, and see where we end up. Have to figure that out. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you in a little bit. Off we go to who knows where.
Wow. They got big.
Yep. We got Bob and Amy behind us. And he always picks me to lead because he's afraid he's going to rain on him. So he says it's cloudy, you lead, because every time he leads,
It rains.
it rains. All good. Not supposed to rain until 7, 8 o'clock tonight. So then tomorrow's a washout.
Yep. Tomorrow I get to rest.
Yep. No rest for the wicked.
Yeah. I know that feeling. Look at the corn. Holy crap.
No, it's corn, not crap.
Well, that might be crap corn.
Oh. So, follow us and we'll get you lost.
Absolutely.
And if you like our video, don't forget to like.
We appreciate all the ones that do.
Yeah.
We just wanted a little more.
Yeah.
We'll get it.
Yeah.
My goal was 250 and I think we got 7 to go. So those 7 people, reach out. And then when we hit 250, my goal will be 300.
We'll take baby steps.
Yeah, baby steps. Well, I took baby steps when I wanted 1,000, so.
Ours, a Bigfoot step. We're zigzagging all over the place. We don't know what road we're on.
Kinniok.
Okay.
I think it's P-I-N-I-O-K.
Kinniok.
Sounds like Alaskan to me.
Bob's probably going, what the hell is he doing?
My words exactly.
We're exploring.
Oh. It's called extreme adventuring, and that's what we do.
Oh,
You should know that by now.
That's where we hit the dirt roads.
Oh yeah. No, oh yeah.
This is just stream, not extreme. Oh. Looks good to me.
Hilly and hey.
Hey, hey.
curvy, bumpy.
Smelly.
Yeah, smelly.
How many guests they got? Woo! Yeah. I like that archway. It looks like an arch. Here we are, East Brady. Don't blink.
Right? Up for rent. Like, kind of historical, but it's so dead.
Yep.
Another sleepy little town. Good for camping.
And here we are, the Allegheny.
Yep. Again.
Usually we're coming the other way. Well, we stopped for lunch.
Yep.
Big surprise.
Yeah. And had cheeseburgers. Big surprise.
And they were good. The beer garden.
Yep. The beer garden. In Butler? No.
I don't know. We're on Route 38, wherever we are. I will mark it down. But it was yummy. And now, we don't know. So, we give it a... What would you give it?
I'll give it about a 4.
A 4?
A 4 out of 5.
Oh, okay. Okay, go ahead.
The only reason I didn't give it a 5 is because I didn't get no utensils.
Oh, yes.
That should be a given.
Always need utensils, but...
Pretty good taste, though. It was a square burger.
It was a Polish burger. So, destination still unknown.
Country roads and rolling hills, the morning air is clear. Fire up the engine, hit the highway gear. With the wheels in motion and the open sky ahead, leaving all the worries of the busy week instead. Three-wheel stay in a vibrant shade of blue, chasing down the horizon with the world in view. Oh, let the miles roll by, let the worries fade away. Just another open road to greet a brand new day. Side by side and mile by mile, the journey is the prize. With good friends along and adventure in our eyes. Stopped a while for lunch at a local biker spot, trading tales and laughter where the country air is hot. Through the winding roads and fields of green, making memories if you know what we mean. Don't need to rush the time or worry where we land. Just holding to the rhythm of this open road command, yeah. memories fade away. Just another open road to greet a brand new day. Side by side and mile by mile, the journey is the prize. With good friends along an adventure in our eyes.
Here we are coming into Edmonton. Edmonton. Here we are coming into Edmonton. Edmonton. Did Bob make it? Oh, what the hell?
Really?
Here's our Bridge and Parker. Going over to Allegheny. We're heading home. Well, we're on our way home. We stopped off at Bob and Amy's. Got some vegetables.
Yep.
And now we're heading home and relax.
We'll be off for a couple days because the rain is supposed to start hitting tomorrow and not going to be stopping by Tuesday.
Give me a chance to catch up on some videos. And my baby can make some songs.
Yeah. I'll do my best.
And they always come out awesome. So if you like Rita's songs, put that in a comment saying, Rita, you're doing a hell of a job.
Yeah.
Which she is. She works hard on it.
You work hard on those videos.
And she'll make the song. She says, I don't like it. It sounds good to me. I don't like it. So, please subscribe, like, and tell your friends. All appreciated.
Thank you for riding with us today. Making memories that won't fade away. Miles keep rolling me and you. Don't forget about the name.
That was different. No, home sweet home. Not good welcome home. Not good night, good evening, good morning.
Good night. Well, thanks for coming along with us. And I hope you liked it and let us know.
You keep saying that.
But no one lets us know.
Let us know.
Please. 33442.